Well, let's in the meantime get you the action that has been undertaken on part of the police as well. Till now, about 15 FIRs that has been registered so far pertaining to the violence that was witnessed on the 20th of July for the Chalo Sansad March. Meanwhile, the assurance that is coming from the government side that no action would be taken against the peaceful protesters, but however those who indulged in violence and those who also attacked the police personnel and the security officials. Kritika, we are looking at action that would be instead taken against them, because at least till now we're looking at 15 FIRs that have been registered.
Well, that's correct. You know, there is also a van with facial recognition technology also deployed right at the gates of the Jantar Mantar. Now, what it is specified to do is, in fact, get the data, extract data, surveil and extract data of the protesters who are coming in, of the participants rather who are coming in, and match it with the police's existing database of people with a prior criminal record. So this is what the police earlier clarified is currently happening. Of course, there is still continues to be opposition even to the matching with previous criminal records aspect of the use of facial recognition technology, as well as a lot of them have stated that just having a previous criminal record is not a proof of them being tried for it or if it being even proven. So in such cases, this can again be looked at as an example of disproportionate crackdown by the police. Of course, there is a lot of distrust continuing amongst the protesters when it comes to such moves, but we're also seeing that 15 FIRs, as you pointed out, has been in fact currently lodged in Delhi. Earlier they were lodged at different police stations. They pertain to causing in fact violence as well as obstructing police personnel in their line of duty and attacking them as well. Over to you.
Absolutely, because we have seen how technology that is also being used to identify if there were any individuals having criminal antecedents or also antisocial elements who became a part of this protest and indulged in violence, because this is now something that is coming in on part of, as we get you, how technology that has also been used